You might be thinking about investing in the stock market, but completely unsure how to get started. Let's start at the very beginning. What is a stock? Stocks are issued by the company for the purpose of raising money. Each share of the stock is worth a certain amount of money depending on how much the company is worth. Owning a stock means you own part of that company. Being a stockholder gives you some basic benefits that can attract people. Number 1. Growth. As a company grows and becomes worth more, the stock reflects that in the price. That's how your wealth can accumulate, although it's not always the case. Sometimes outside factors can cause a negative push on a stock price, such as earnings for the quarter don't meet investor expectations, or the company is involved in a scandal. Then your stock value can decrease. So investing stocks does have some risks. Number 2. Income. The company can choose to pay its shareholders money out of its profit or reserves. We call this money the dividend. Usually the money is paid on a regular schedule. Sometimes it is paid on special occasions. Number 3. Voting rights. Stockholders have the right to vote on a board of directors and other company affairs. I know most of you care about the stock price more than anything else, but this right allows you to participate in deciding the affairs of a famous company. Isn't that pretty cool? Number 4. Limited access to company financials. In the current digital age, anyone can examine the publicly traded company's information under the SEC's EDGAR database. Quarterly financials, operations information, and other SEC filings you can find online. Now, you might be very interested in the stock market and wonder what companies can you invest in. Take a look around. Many everyday products and services are from publicly traded companies. If you are watching this video, there is some type of technology in front of you. Maybe you are using a computer that you purchased from a retail store like Walmart or Best Buy. Or you are looking at a tablet you bought online through Amazon. Or you are watching this through a phone that you purchased from a telecommunications company such as AT&T, Verizon, Sprint. So, I'm sure that example of publicly traded companies is overwhelming. If you don't see a company around that you wish to buy, you may wonder where else to find publicly traded companies. Let's look at our stock screener. It can help you find the first stock you want to invest. Our stock screener is located online under Trade Ideas. Let's set filters to pick up the stocks which meet our requirements. You can decide what requirements are important to you. For this example, our first requirement will be price. Stocks can cost anywhere from under a penny to over $300,000. Let's pick an affordable price range. Let's say between $10 to $30. This will leave us with over 2,000 different stocks, which is way too much to look through. Then you may add a second requirement to narrow down your choices. Let's go with sector. You may choose to focus on something that you think will grow in the future or an industry you are already familiar with. I'm going to choose finance. This brings our results to over 500 stocks. Still way too many to look at individually, right? We will add a third requirement to further narrow this down. So we could choose a technical indicator such as moving average or something fundamental like P/E ratio. For this, let's search by next dividend payment and sort to see what the highest paying stock is. It looks like there's a three-way tie of stocks paying the highest dividend next quarter. So we've just gone from a list of thousands of stocks to only 3 companies to research. If you're feeling confident on investing, congratulations! Open an account with SogoTrade to start your new journey. If not, don't worry, we will have more videos coming soon to help you. See you next time!